أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the next surah, which is called Suratul Kafirun. Let us start now. Suratul Kafirun Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قل يا أيها الكافرون On the kul, we read this qaf in heavy sound. Ya, we long here due to standing fatha on it, and also the mad sign is coming. This mad is basically madde munfasil, as this standing fatha is equal to alif madda, and that's why I told already that this mad sign is coming on the madda letters now, like on the standing fatha, and after the madda letters, like because the standing fatha is equal to madda letter, that's why we can say that after madda letter the next letter is hamza. So we say there is madde munfasil, like the hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word, ya is the one, and ayyuhal is the second word. So ayyu, there is hamza like alif, you can see here, which is called hamza due to fatha sign on it. So that's why this will be madde munfasil. Hamza is coming after madda letter, which is alif madda here, and that is equal to standing fatha. So that's why we say ya ayyuhal, right? And ya we long almost 3 to 4 seconds due to madde munfasil. Munfasil meaning is that the hamza is a separate. Ha we connect with the lam, hal. Kaf we long due to standing fatha on it, ka, and make the light sound of kaf. Ra we read in heavy sound due to dhamma on it, ra, and there is waw madda, we long as well. So we say kafirun. And now we say قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون. In the la, there is again alif madda is coming. Alif is coming after fatha sign, and after the madda letter, which is alif, there is hamza. Hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word, which is a'budu. That's why this is madde munfasil. So we long 3 to 4 seconds as we say la a'budu. Ma ta'budun. Here is ma, alif madda is coming. Ta we connect with the ain with the soft sound, ta'budun, and in the ain we make tawassut quality, like not too strong quality, like as you make shidda quality, and not too weak quality, which becomes rakhawa. If you don't know about the qualities of letters, please watch my course on the sifat, like sifat huruf. You can watch these videos or this course. Under this video there is a link of this course. Please click on that link, sifatul huruf in English, and similarly I put it sifatul huruf in Urdu, so you can watch there. So but make sure to that read the ain softly and make the moderation sound there, and dal we long due to waw madda. So we say ma ta'budun. In the end we say noon sound, and now we say la a'budu ma ta'budun wa la antum ولا antum abiduna abiduna ma a'bud ma a'bud. On the wala, again madde munfasil, alif madda is coming, and after the alif madda the next is hamza, again we say madde munfasil. On the there is ikhfa sound. After the noon sakin the next letter is ta, which is one of the 15 ikhfa letters. Tum, here is mim sakin is coming. After the mim sakin the next letter is ain, so which is izhar shafawi here. That's why we make the clear sound of mim. Ain we long due to standing fatha on it. Du due to waw madda we long. Ma a'bud, again alif madda, and like madde munfasil is there. And on the dal we make strong qalqala, so we say all together, وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ ما عبدتم So in this ayat, wala ana, again madde munfasil is coming, and in the ana, just remember this word whenever come in the Quran, so you will not long there. In looking, basically this alif is alif madda, like alif is coming after fatha sign, but we do not long here. Okay, this is a grammar rule, so just keep in mind whenever this ana word come in the Quran, you will say ana, you will not long it due to alif madda, right? So remember it. So we only say ana, abi, ain we long due to alif madda is here, dal we connect with the meme. After the tanween, like double dhamma, the next letter is meme, so we make idgham with ghunna here, and ma we long due to alif madda, and then here ba you connect with the ta directly. This dal we do not read here. Why? This is a grammar rule. Dal is coming with sukun sign on it, and ta is coming with shadda sign on it, like shad. So both letters say that connect with the previous letter, like dal say connect with the ba, similarly ta say connect with the previous. As you read already about sukun and shad sign, what is the meaning of these signs whenever come. So this is difficult that we cannot connect dal and ta together with the previous letter. So what we have to do here, we only need to skip this dal from here, and we cannot connect dal and ta together with the ba. That's why this dal convert into ta to read easily, right? Because dal and ta both letters come from the same makhraj. That's why ba we connect with the ta directly, and this dal we basically convert into ta for joining, and that will be abattum. And we say ma abattum. And now we say, wala ana abidum ma abattum. And the next is wala antum abiduna ma a'bud. And this is again the same ayat which we read already in the third ayat. So I just only repeat this ayat. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ Lakum dinukum waliyadin. Waliyadin. In this ayat, lakum, on the meme, there is meme sakin, and after the meme sakin, the next letter is dal, which is izhar shafawi. We make the clear sound of meme. Di, we long here due to ya madda. Nukum, after the meme sakin, again there is waw, so we make the izhar shafawi again. Waliyadin, here is ya madda. So we say all together, Lakum dinukum waliyadin. Now I repeat again. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين. Alhamdulillah, we have completed this surah, and if you have any kind of question in this surah, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, see you in the next class. If you didn't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe it and like this video and share with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.